In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple salsa with these ingredients. First of all, you halve the tomato, work on a flat surface, cut it into quarters, and then I'm going to remove the seeds. It just allows it to keep for a little bit longer. Slice it that way, and then into small little pieces and into your bowl. Then you add your tomatoes into the bowl. Next we're going to chop our onion. You can check out my other video on chopping an onion. Add your chopped onion into your tomatoes. Now we're going to chop the chili. The hot part of the chili is actually where the seeds are connected to the membrane rather than the seeds. If you like it really spicy, you can leave the seeds in. Add the chilies in. And then I'm going to add some freshly chopped coriander. Using coriander, you can use a stalk, that's no problem. So we add our coriander into the bowl. We're going to season it with a little bit of pepper and salt. And there you have a beautiful fresh salsa that you can use with fajitas, in wraps, on the side of your eggs. Hope you enjoyed my video today on making a beautiful fresh salsa. Please don't forget to subscribe below, leave your comments and like the video, and check out my other videos like how to chop an onion or some lovely recipes. Thanks a million for watching.